Welcome to a big philo time. What you know about sweet shit, fuckers? Cheese and peanut butter crackers. Cause we like it cheesy. One for me. One for the sunglass guy. We cook on the stove cause we gangsta. Gangsta with the G. Okay. Oh, look, yeah, what you know about Reese cups? We're gonna stack these like racks. Oh. The other half of the sandwich. We're not gonna put that on yet. Balls! They're not very soft. Oh man. Bitches be eating that food. Karate chop 'em. Oh yeah. Chocolate and peanut butter and chocolate. Green ball. Ooh. Look, I'm forgetting something. More peanut. Oh, yeah. How can I forget the yellow ding dong? Time to do a roll by. So you roll by. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh God. Oh wow, look at that. I call it the Twinkie Oreo. I don't even know. With balls. Almost forgot. What do we got? Freaking bacon. Bacon makes everything better. Oh, it happens. Time to eat.